Heat transfer. In this video, we will learn about the ways heat can be transferred. First, let us learn what is heat. Heat is the energy that moves between objects of different temperatures. From warmer objects to cooler objects. Well, there are three ways the heat can be transferred: conduction, convection, and radiation. First, let's start with conduction. Conduction is the transfer of heat within a solid object. It can also occur between objects that are touching. Imagine you are holding a snowball with your hand. The heat is transferred by conduction from the hand to the snowball. In this example, heat is conducted from the iron to the clothes. Next, we have convection. Convection is the heat transfer through fluids such as liquids or gases. Think of a hot air balloon. The air inside the balloon is heated, and it rises because it is less dense than the cold air around it. This is an example of convection. Heating water is another example of convection, in which hot water goes up and cooler water sinks down, causing convection current. Lastly, we have radiation. Radiation is the transfer of heat without matter to carry it. For example, the heat we feel from the sun is an example of radiation. So, that's how heat transfers. We hope this video has helped you understand how conduction, convection, and radiation play an important role in the transfer of heat. Stay tuned for more educational videos on our YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.